Hey everybody, check this out. You should be very excited because this is where you're going to plan and build your future. Here in Fantasy Island, Fiji, master plan gated community, 27 years in the works. Look at this lot ahead of me. Right on Nandi Bay. You can see some of the islands of Fiji in the distance. Few of the boats, sleeping giant mountain views. What an awesome opportunity. You have to come and see this. When those planes are back in the air, no more lockdown, no more masks, no more COVID, no more negativity. This is all positive. As we say in Fiji, no hurry, no worry. You're gonna come here and enjoy what we call Fiji time. This, again, is a 1/4 acre lot right on the water, 2 sides of waterfront practically. You can bring your boat straight in, take it out to the bay, do that fishing and kayaking and surfing and snorkeling, world-class scuba diving for soft coral. Right here, check this out. This place is just really gorgeous. Only about 10 to 15 minutes from the international airport. Straight ahead of us is Wailoaloa Beach, so you've got even more beach access. To the left, all that white area in the front is Naisoso Island. Really beautiful community over there as well. And actually the airport is just on the other side of Wailoaloa Beach. So everything very convenient. Nandi town, all the retail, restaurant, shopping, literally within minutes. If you're looking to build a dream home right here along the beachfront in Fiji, listen. Take all that in. You're at home watching this and this is what you've been wanting, and it's right here waiting for you. Go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999 2051, and we're going to tell you more about this incredible opportunity, and we're going to make it so easy for you. We're going to help you get the deal closed. We're going to help you get here to Fiji. There's architects, there's developers and builders and designers. We can help you get a boat, cars, golf carts, anything that you need to make your Fiji dreams come a reality and live that island lifestyle. We're gonna help you take care of all of that. We look forward to hearing from you. We're so excited to see all these properties that are coming for sale in this challenging time. But here, you put all those worries and all those troubles and challenges away, and you just come and you sit down here on this rock wall and watch that, all those waves of abundance just coming right at you. Unbelievable. So wonderful. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Vanaka.